Friday on her way to Cincinnati on a snow white Christmas Eve. Going home to see Mama and Daddy with the baby in her backseat. 50 miles to go and she was running low on fading gasoline. It'd been a long, hard year. She had a lot on her mind and she didn't pay attention. She was going way too fast. Before she knew what she was spinning on a thin black sheet of glass. She saw both the lights flash before her eyes. She didn't even have time to cry. She was so scared. She threw her hands up in the air. Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hands, 'cause I can't do this on my own. I'm letting go. Give me one more chance. Save me from this road I'm on. Jesus, take the wheel. It was still getting colder when she made it to the shoulder. The car came to a stop. She cried when she saw that baby in her backseat, sleeping like a rock. And for the first time in a long time, she bowed her head to pray. She said, sorry for the way I've been living my life. I know I've got to change. So from now on tonight, Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hands. I can't do this on my own. I'm letting go. Give me one more chance. Take me from this road I'm on. Jesus, take the wheel.